Hey you guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a very simple makeup tutorial here, including products from Sephora. We all know the Sephora sale is going on right now until the 11th, so this would be the perfect time to take advantage and pick up any products that you require. Going right in with an oldie but goodie, we do have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this stuff, and I don't think this will ever go out of style. This has truly changed the game. Then I'm going in with this Lawless. This is actually an eyeliner pencil, but it's in the shade Cocoa, and I really love the shade for my brows. I've definitely been using this for my brows, even though it's an eyeliner, so it's always good that you can multitask and use a product for multiple different things. And then I'm going in with some concealer. Now, this concealer is from Juvia's Place, and I don't think Juvia's Place is at Sephora, but this is in the shade 10 for those that are wondering. I love this concealer. I love it for my brows. It's just a great overall concealer. Then I'm going in with my Estee Lauder foundation. The only thing I hate about this foundation is it doesn't come with a pump. I am in the shade C62. No, it's 6C2, I think. And I'm always a staple for making sure your foundation is just a little bit darker than your, skin tone. So once you layer your concealers and your powders, everything will come together. So this shade is a tad bit darker, but I love the coverage, love the finish. As you can see, I'm blending it out with my one size beauty blender. I have not used a beauty blender in years, okay, until I came across this one size one. You can use it wet, you can use it dry. I prefer to use it dry, but if you wet it, it gets so big and it's just amazing. And then moving forward, we're going in with some more concealer from Lancome. This one here is in the shade 410. This one is a bit light. It's definitely more of a highlight shade for me. So as you can see, I'm kind of mixing them both with my Juvia's Place concealer and my Lancome concealer. I love the Lancome concealer because it's very, very thick and it's definitely full coverage. So this concealer will cover those bags, will cover those spots, will definitely cover those harsh areas, okay? Highly recommend. And then I'm going in to just blend everything, make everything nice, seamless, and smooth. At this point, this is where all the bronzer comes in. I am using a palette from Black Radiance, and the brush that I'm using is a Real Techniques brush. I highly recommend using a brush that is big and round and fluffy when it comes to doing your bronzers and your blushes, because it just diffuses it so nice on the skin. I used to definitely use a more shaped brush for my cheeks, but I've learned that using the big puffy brushes for face stuff just really blends everything and just diffuses it so nice on the skin. So I highly recommend picking up this brush at least, or at least changing that technique moving forward, because it just really makes a big difference. And I am going in with some blush. Now, the blush that I'm using right now is from e.l.f. I've talked about this many of times. It is in the shade Suave Mauve. And then I'm going to go in with my powder from Maybelline. This is also a staple that I don't think will ever go out of style. I am in the shade 30. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm in the shade 30. This is my shade. I've been wearing this for years. I have like 10 of these powders. It's not even funny. So yeah, I'm just going in with some powder, but then I am going to then touch up my blush with some cream blush. And so I have this blush from Makeup by Mario. It's in the shade called Blush Me Pink, I believe. And then I'm going to go in with another blush on top of that. This one is from Lawless, and this blush shade is called Cheeky. Girl, if you don't use these two blushes together, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, do you just see how much of a difference that made? That Cheeky blush, the Makeup by Mario, when you layer them together, they just give you an ambiance of just just beautifulness. Like, I really can't explain it, but it's so beautiful. Love how the outcome came out. It is really, really stunning. Especially for women of color, I definitely think, we tend to shy away from blush, but I highly recommend it. Once again, I'm going back in with that powder to just diffuse that blush a little bit, so everything could be nice and cohesive. And then I'm just touching up my brows. Always touch up your brows after using powders because stuff could get lost in the sauce. And then I'm going in with my lashes. These are my absolute favorite lashes. It is the Ardell Wispies. I feel like if you know, you know. I don't really wear any other lashes. And I don't know if Ardell Wispies are at Sephora. I'm not sure, but I will have them linked below. These are the best lashes in the world, period. Next, I'm going in with some mascara. This is from Lancome, one of my favorite mascaras. It's so wet and long lasting. It definitely is so easy to apply, and I love applying it to my bottom lashes to really give that effect. Okay, highly recommend. I'm adding just a little bit of highlighter to my nose and under my brows. I just like to highlight this area, of course, because when I'm doing a very basic makeup look, it just really enhances your features a lot more. And then, baby, we're going in with the star of the show. This is the new Sephora lip creams. I have shades 99, which is the pinky one, and then the nude shade is in the shade 32. I absolutely love these liquid lipsticks. I'm lining my lips with this Lancome liquid lip liner. It is in the shade matte syrup brown. And then, baby, we're gonna apply these lipsticks. These lipsticks have came a long way. When I tell you, I have so many memories back in the day, getting my refund check from college, going to Sephora and picking up these lipsticks. They used to be like $14 a pop. And I'm sure during the Sephora sale, they're gonna have big deals. If you are a matte girl, because back in the day, before we used to wear our lipsticks, like before we used to add gloss on top of our lips, it would just be the matte nude lip, and it would be these liquid lipsticks that would give me the look that I'm going for. Obsessed with these, love these down, highly recommend these. I mean, they have every shade under the sun, and they've rebranded their formula, and it's just absolutely fantastic. I'm just relining my lips to get some more definition back, because one of the shades, which is 32, is a very pale nude. So I do like to mix the shades, but girl, whatever nude that you desire, they have it. Whatever brown you desire, whatever red you desire, baby, they have it. And then I'm just touching my lips up with this lip oil. It is from MCO Beauty. I don't think they're at Sephora, but it's a really nice lip oil. It's very nice feeling on the lips, and it's not too sticky. So that is it for this look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this very quick, easy video. It is literally, I swear to God, 3 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm editing this for you. I'm doing a voiceover. I did this for you guys. I love you guys so much. Once again, everything that I talked about today will be linked down below. So if you are interested, make sure you check out the link, shop the links, girl, especially during the Sephora sale. We do have a few days left. If you have not yet signed up to be a Sephora member, girl, do it right now. Do it right now. There will be a link below so you can sign up, become a beauty insider, get your points, and girl, move up in these Sephora streets. Okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And until next time, I'll see you later.